That's what I don't understand. I hate about this stuff is like you either get it completely right or you do one little step wrong and get everything wrong.
Yeah, it's frustrating.
So I'm hoping the test isn't too bad because right now I'm lost.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you're doing the group meeting part, right?
Yeah.
So should I just... What should I do? Should I start where you guys are at, or...
It doesn't matter. If you want to help me with 19, that'd be cool. I've been working on it for about 30 minutes now.
Really? Um... minus... Okay, so they're independent. They're independent. Yeah. Did you get D for 18? 18.
For
That's
what number?
what I said. For 18?
Yeah, I got D.
Okay. Does it give you... Does it give you the data for it?
Yeah, you have to open up the data file used Hummers, LA, and New York.
Okay. So it's... First.
But I just can't remember how to do it.
I always get the weirdest. Do you guys get those notifications on your phone, like when somebody, random person from India, says no, I'm not, or that they're watching our thing?
We don't know.
I just get random.
I think you mentioned that before, though, that somebody else is watching.
Or they'll like respond yes or no, and I'm like, you didn't invite me.
That's weird.
No, freaks me out. I'm guessing we have to recode it, right?
That's what I did. I recoded like a million different things, trying different things. So I
Yeah.
wasn't sure exactly what to recode. And then, even after I recoded stuff, I didn't get the right thing.
How do you know what's right? Oh, because it's one of those.
Yeah, it's multiple choice, so I know I didn't get the right answers.
Well, did you recode the city?
Yeah.
What was the question? Yeah, I didn't get any of those confidence intervals either. For the true difference in person. The options they're giving us doesn't make any sense.
Nope. So that's why I've been sitting here trying to figure out, like, what?
I know you've been working on it for like a half hour.
Yeah, I've been working on this assignment since 8. I logged on exactly at 8. I was like, crap.
Oh my gosh. Oh, did you try doing that? Compare means? Okay.
Oh, shoot. I need to go in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I have a bio test I have to take.
Oh man,
Well, anatomy.
I hated that class.
I did too.
It's rough. It is rough.
I failed it twice.
Really?
Oh, man.
And then I switched my major. I got an F and then I got a D. So I went up. I just decided,
I mean, you improved, so.
not looking forward to this test at all.
You know, I'm sweating, that's for sure.
Did you go to the tutor? Did you get a tutor?
Oh, no, I didn't. There wasn't any availability.
Oh, so
That's because everybody else is struggling in this class.
I know. Everyone else is like, oh crap. Oh,
I've yet to meet someone who actually enjoyed this class.
It's rough. It's very comprehensive.
Yeah.
Okay, I figured a 19 out.
Yeah, I can't even begin to. I've tried everything I could possibly think of, and
Oh no, I got C.
oh, you got it? How'd you do it? Let's talk.
I'm going to show you on my screen.
Okay, yeah, that'll work.
I'm just better at showing. I can't talk.
No, that it works better. I'm more of a visual person too, so.
Okay, so I did analyze, compare means, independent samples to tests. I put price as the variables, then I put my recode in here, and then I had to define the groups as 1 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then this came up. We always use the lower one.
And it didn't work.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird. I mean, so it could be. I mean, we always do the bottom one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it gives A is number is this. That's A.
Yeah. They.
Wait, so that's what you did?
I thought I did that. I did a ton of different things. Maybe I didn't do that exact thing, but.
So did you do the Did you define the groups as 1 and 2?
I did.
When you recoded it, did it have as Los Angeles as 1 and New York as 2?
Yeah.
Then I have no idea.
Maybe I didn't. Okay, I just did what you did and it's there. Maybe I didn't put the right things. Oh man. I feel like I do all the things and then I didn't.
Well, there's so many little steps.
Yeah. Okay.
But then I'm not confident in myself anymore after thinking that I got 100 on the homework and I got a D.
Well, the thing is, on all our group assignments, we get 100%, and half of it's, like, more than half of it's because of you.
It's frustrating because then I don't do good on my, well, half the time.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do okay, and then other times it's just stupid. I don't understand.
No, my brain doesn't work like this.
Well, most of it is just the SPSS.
Yeah. But even half the time I feel like I'm doing the SPSS part right, and then I don't.
Yeah.
At least the tests are multiple choice, which makes it a lot easier to know you did something wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully,
That I am grateful for.
hopefully this one's multiple choice as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
I hope so.
I didn't think about that. That's true. Because then you don't have to, then the whole, because I feel like sometimes mine is wrong because of rounding, because
Yeah.
I was rounding on stuff before, and he was like, don't round on anything. And then
Yeah.
whatever.
Oh, well. Oh, man. Okay. Well, I kind of sped through the last parts of it, but yeah, I gotta go take my other test too.
Okay.
Taking that one in a group as well. I didn't know this one was gonna take an hour. Ugh. Okay.
Well, good luck with the other test. What'd you
Thank
get on
you.
the...
Oh, I'm gonna look. Ready, go.
Oh, did you finish already?
Mm-hmm.
Sped through and guessed.
Ugh, not good. Oh man. Okay. Well, I know I need to study now. Okay. Alright, good luck, guys.
Good luck on your other one.
Alright, thank you.
Great.
Alright. Bye.
So
Alright.
are you done?
No, I'm on number 20 now.
Okay. Do you want to finish together?
Yeah, we can do that.
Unless you want to go. What time is it there? 9?
It's only 9 here.
Yep.
And I got nothing else to do, so just more. When I get done with this homework, I got more homework, so it's all good.
Yeah. Well, isn't the student tonight? I mean, technically it's like 1 in the it's like 1 in the morning, then it's 2 or something. It's weird.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It's due at 11:55 here.
Okay. Oh, it has it on mine. It says it's due on Friday, like at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Where are you living?
I live in Texas.
Okay, so yeah, the time change would make it an hour difference.
Yeah. So
All right.
none of my other classes are like that.
It's weird. All right. Many studies have suggested there's a link between exercise and healthy bones. Exercise studies the bones and blah 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 blah. Use this forward. What is the Craig hypothesis test for this situation? Okay, I guess I do need to read it. 3 groups. Control with no jumping, a low jump group, and a high jump group. After 8 weeks of 10 jumps per day, 5 days per week, the bone density of the rats was measured. The rats were selected at random for the 3 groups. Researchers would like to determine if the mean level of bone density are different between 3 different groups of rats listed above.
You guys think it's a no because it's 1 2.
Yeah. Calculate the test statistic. I'm just like we've done so much stuff this semester that I always forget what is what.
There's a lot.
Oh, have to recode it, right?
Yeah.
I always forget to do that, and I start.
Did you do anything yet? I got 7.978 for the test statistics. I'm really nervous I'm doing everything wrong since I got everything right.
Yeah, what did you get?
For the statistic, I got 7.978.
Okay, perfect.
Is that what you got?
Yep.
And then
I did
0.
the wrong test first, and then I did the ANOVA test.
Oh, okay.
That's why it took me so long. I went to the wrong test.
Oh, okay.
Okay, give the p-value.
I got 0.002.
Yep. Which is the following best expresses the conclusion of this test. Use level of significance of 0.05. There's sufficient evidence to conclude the bone density of all three groups is the same. There is sufficient evidence to conclude the bone density of at least one of the groups. Different bone density of at least one of the groups. There's insufficient evidence to conclude the bone density of all three groups is about the same. There's insufficient evidence to conclude all the bone density of at least one of the groups is different from the bone density of at least one of the other groups.
I think it's D.
I thought it was C or D. Wasn't sure which, but
I'm thinking it's D because it's talking about, because that's like what they, because I just remember it said that for ANOVA it's always, the null hypothesis is that the mean is equal or whatever, but the alternative is always that at least one of them is different. One of the mean is different, so that's why I think it's that one.
okay.
But
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
yeah, that sounds good to you.
Yeah. Alright. Direct flight costs.
Did we use this data for the homework?
Yeah. Alright. So would that be a dependent sample test?
I don't know yet. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, just because depending on when they bought it and stuff.
Yeah. Because it's the same flight, but at just different times. So they're
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this one we have to find the difference.
Oh, okay. So that was the compute variable, right?
Yeah. So 14. Wow, I don't really remember how to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look that up. Did the test open notes?
Yeah, well, you get a page of notes, but yeah.
Pretty much. Okay.
Did you get 1.685?
I'm not there.
Okay.
I'm still figuring out. So all I have so far is 14 days minus 19. 19? 19? Wow. What is 90?
90 days.
Sorry.
There.
Wait, is it the opposite though?
No, because I got a negative number when I did the opposite, so I'm going to assume that I did it backwards, but I got the same exact number. So,
Because, yeah, that's weird. Because 14 days would be closer.
yeah, but the prices would be higher in 14 days.
Okay.
Because the closer to the flight, the higher the... Oh, wait, never mind, because that would be like waiting to fill those, huh? I don't know.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking maybe it's 90 days minus 14 days.
Yeah. So when I did that, I got negative 1.685 for the test statistic. The test statistic.
Yeah, but they're positive. Okay, so we'll just go with the way we have it. Okay, whatever. Okay, so what do I do after? Oh, you just have to type in difference in the target variable.
Yeah.
And then I'll let you do it. Okay.
I just went to compare means in one sample t-test.
And then you do the difference.
Yep.
Did you put anything in as the test value?
I didn't.
Yep, that's what I got. And then
Point zero.
0.0. Well, so
All right.
I think D. Did you
Sounds
get D for?
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Because
works.
it's okay. Well,
Because it's barely any different, so yeah. Or yeah.
I'm gonna go start at the beginning. Are you gonna submit it?
I still have 2 more to do. I didn't do number 10 or number 13.
Do you want me to do that right now?
Yeah, if you want to. Okay, group of statistics. For number 10, a group of statistics students wants to determine if students in some apartment buildings get better grades than students in other apartment buildings. They collect GPAs from an anonymous random sample size 15 from each of the 4 different apartment buildings. The data for each apartment buildings are bell-shaped with no outlier, and the sample standard deviation are nearly equal. Can you use ANOVA hypothesis test to answer this question? And I didn't know. My guess was they didn't have enough data, but I didn't know if that was right or not.
know. So, what are the requirements? Requirements for number. The data is normally distributed each group. And variances for each group. Well, can't really check that. Oh, yes. Because they meet the two requirements.
It does meet the requirements.
Yeah, because it talks about that they're both normally distributed.
Okay. So it'd be A then? Yes, it is
Yeah.
not. Okay.
Yeah.
And then number
Yes.
13.
Because the requirements of ANOVA, the data are normally distributed in each group. And it says each apartment building are bell-shaped overlap. And then the variance are equal, and that means the largest standard deviation is less than or equal to the 2 times the smallest. And then it says that the standard deviations are nearly equal. So
Okay.
that's okay. And then 13.
Uh-huh. The nicotine content in cigarettes of a certain brand is normally distributed. The mean mu and a known standard deviation of theta. The brand or point equals 0.17. The brand advertises that the mean nicotine content of its cigarettes is 1.5. With a measurement on a random sample of 100 cigarettes, this brand gives a sample of X bar equals 1.53. Is evidence that the mean nicotine content is actually higher than advertised. To answer this, test the hypothesis. No, mu equals 1.5 and mu is greater than 1.5. At the 5% level of significance, you conclude that you should reject.
I don't know how you would figure that out.
My guess was reject H or the null. So
Yeah, that's what I would think too.
because the mean was 1.53, and so yeah. So I'm just gonna turn it in. Let's see what I get.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't answer all the questions. What else did I skip? Oh, and number 7. I didn't understand number 7 at all. To assess the accuracy of a laboratory scale, a standard weight that is known to weigh 1 gram is repeatedly weighed until the mean of the weighing is computed. Suppose the scale readings are normally distributed with unknown mean mu and standard deviation theta equals 0.01 grams. How large should n be so that 0.95% of confidence intervals for mu has a margin error of plus or minus 0.0001? And I was like, I have no idea how to even begin doing that.
I have no idea. I can't find my notes from there. There's a couple chapters.
I think I'm just gonna guess on this one.
Okay.
It's been an hour and a half. I'm done with statistics.
Yeah, I bet.
I got a 75. So in case you're wondering, number 7 is C. I guessed and got it right.
Well, wait, what's 10?
10 is A.
Sweet. And 13? Sorry.
13 is D.
Cool. We got those right.
Man, we should have told Kareen to. I can help you out if you want me to, because I have all the answers now.
No.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. Because I want to at least work through them, so I know what I mean.
Yeah.
But did we get the 18 to the end?
So we got 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 right. We got 23 wrong. And then we got 27 wrong as well.
What?
Yeah. And if you want me to give you a hint, there is sufficient evidence.
So it's A?
No. But it's B for both of them.
Oh. So there's sufficient evidence to believe that.
Yeah.
Huh.
But yeah, everything else we worked through.
That's
together.
why I got. What?
I said everything else we worked through together we got right though, so.
Cool.
But I'm gonna go now. I'm burned out of statistics.
Okay.
Alright. You have a good night, Emily. Good luck on the rest of it.
Thanks. See ya.
Bye.